today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sales pipeline in HubSpot. First things first, let's head over to HubSpot. Make sure you're logged into your account, as having access to all the features is crucial for setting up your sales pipeline. Once you've signed in, you're going to be greeted with the HubSpot dashboard. Look for the plus icon on your screen. This is your gateway to creating something new within HubSpot, including the start of your new sales pipeline. When you click on the plus icon, a menu will pop up. You'll want to select the option labeled Deal. Now, why are we clicking on Deal? Well, deals represent potential revenue and sales opportunities. Think of them as the building blocks of your entire sales effort. Essentially, creating a deal allows you to add a new sales opportunity to your pipeline. This is something you can track from start to finish. Typically, a deal signifies a potential sale, a negotiated contract, or a business opportunity linked to a contact or company you're dealing with. When you create a new deal, you'll be prompted to input a variety of details. Begin by entering the deal name. It's best to choose a name that clearly describes the opportunity so that you and your team can identify it quickly at a glance. You'll also want to add the deal value. This figure represents the potential revenue the deal might bring in. Next, indicate the current stage of the deal within your sales pipeline. HubSpot provides a variety of customizable stages that reflect the progress of your deal, whether you're just getting started or are nearing the closing stage. Additionally, it's crucial to forecast when you expect this deal to close. Input an expected close date, which gives your sales team an idea of when they should be working towards wrapping things up. And, of course, don't forget to associate the deal with a specific contact or company. This association is vital because it anchors the deal to the real-world business relationship you are trying to nurture and grow. Managing these details helps your sales team stay organized, giving them a clear overview of where each opportunity stands. With these insights, they can set priorities and more accurately forecast revenue for your business. Essentially, the Create Deal function is how you log and manage potential sales within HubSpot's CRM. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, you're ready to save your new deal. As you track and manage this deal, HubSpot will aid in keeping everything organized, ensuring you never miss a beat in your sales process. And there you have it. You've successfully created a sales pipeline in HubSpot by initiating a new deal. Continue adding deals as your opportunities grow and watch your sales pipeline turn into a comprehensive roadmap of your sales journey. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you streamline your sales processes.